Hello everyone, my name is Debbie Pattinson. I'm the Executive Director and I'm joined with Sharon Piety Noel. She's the Vice President of the Resident Council. And the reason Sharon's joining me today is because she participated in a community support services call with me this week regarding the increasing COVID cases. So we wanted to share some information with you. COVID-19 for Westminster Communities of Florida, we have some information from the week of January 3rd to January 10th of positive reports of COVID. You'll see there's a listing of team members for independent living, assisted living, and nursing centers, and then resident independent living, assisted living, and nursing center. That's on the top of the chart. And then to the left of the chart, you'll see those that have been vaccinated, those that have received the booster, waivers, not vaccinated or unknown. Please keep in mind that the number for those with boosters is included in the 95 of vaccinated. But we have a total of 104 in 1 week of positive cases, and that is the most important part of the information to take from this chart. So here we have the trends, and you'll see a red line and a blue line, and it's a year-over-year trending chart. So you'll see 2020 to 21 is the blue, and then 2021 to 22 is the red. And you can see obviously there is a large increase due to the Omicron virus, making up a name. The information we're going to share with you next comes from the CDC December 27th report, and you do not need to be able to read what's on this. We're going to be highlighting some of the information that's important from this article. The Omicron variant is spreading quickly, and it has the potential to impact all facets of society. Prevention is our best option. Get vaccinated, get your booster, wear a mask in public indoor settings in areas of substantial and high community transmission, and take a test before you gather. I cannot stress enough to you to always wear a mask when you're around others, wash your hands, and social distance. We do offer the booster vaccine here on campus. You can contact Paula Vale, the Health Resource Center nurse. We offer it every 2 weeks. Another portion from the CDC article that is very important is that if they have had both vaccine, the effectiveness is only 35%. But if an individual has both vaccines with a booster, there's a 75% effectiveness rate. Huge improvement. I'm going to turn it over now to Sharon. She's going to review something with you.
Thank you, Debbie. It was very informative for me to attend the meeting with CSS and the other presidents of the Westminster communities. It's clear that all the communities are struggling with this information and the surge that we're having in new cases. And many residents' councils are trying to determine the best ways to prevent further cases. So today, the Westminster St. Augustine residents here in our community will be getting a memorandum from you and from Bob, our resident council president, helping our residents to understand what's really necessary at this point to keep us from moving from the orange level of significance where we are now to a red level where we might have to cancel activities and close parts of our community. So we want everyone to listen carefully, and when you get this announcement, either on email or in your cubby, to please read it carefully and to comply so that we can all be safe and help our neighbors and ourselves to be safer. We'll be asking everyone on campus to wear a mask in public spaces on campus as a requirement now. If you've been exposed to COVID, please self-isolate for at least 5 days and get a test to confirm your health. We hope that we don't hope, we need you to test immediately if you suspect any symptoms. We want you to consider reducing your exposure when dining by going with the same group routinely. Always wear a mask when you're off campus. And very, very importantly, as Debbie said, if you already have not been boosted, please do so. Your immunity increases from 35% to 75%. So we're hopeful that you all will work together to prevent us from going into level red and suspending activities. Thank you.
Thank you.